Beauty. Tips. Every girl must learn. There are many blackheads on the nose. Dip a tissue in egg white. Apply it on the nose. Remove it after 15 minutes. The blackheads will be cleaned. Elbows look like this. Dip a lemon in sugar. Rub it on the elbows. It will improve the appearance. Too much armpit hair is scary. Prepare coffee powder in a bowl. Mix lemon juice and toothpaste. After stirring together, apply it on the armpit hair. Wipe it off in 5 minutes. The armpit hair will be clean. Dandruff is increasing. Peel a cucumber. Grate it into shreds. Add an egg and a spoon of salt. Mix them together with a spoon. Apply evenly to hair by hand. Wait for a moment and wash it off. The dandruff will disappear. A big pimple on the forehead. Put a tea bag in the fridge for 2 hours. Take it out and apply it to pimples. The pimple will shrink quickly. Staying up all night leads to panda eyes. Take out the cucumber. Cut 2 slices. Apply them on the dark circles. After waiting for 15 minutes, the dark circles will disappear. Dry and cracked feet. Mash a banana. Soak the feet in it overnight. They will be better the next day. Mix purple cabbage and egg mixture. Brush it on the face after changing color. Apply a disposable mask. Wash it off for a smoother face. Follow me. Learn more life hacks.